Alright guys, welcome back. We have question 17 from the fundamentals of electric circuits, and in this question we have this figure that shows a circuit with 5 elements. If we know that the power in the first one is negative 205 watt, we have P2 60 watt, and we have P4 45 and P5 30 watts, and we need to calculate the power P3 received or delivered by element 3. So first of all, we know in any circuit the law of conservation of the power applies. So the algebraic sum of all powers has to be equal to 0, and we're going to start from the each of these 5 elements, and we should be able to find the only unknown that is missing in here, which is P3. So we're going to start with P5. So basically P1 plus P2 plus P5 has to be equal to 0. So P1, we have it minus 205. P2 is 60. P4 is 45. And P5 is 30. And we have P3 missing. And we're just going to go with the positive sign for now. We'll see what we get. So basically our P3 in here is going to be, so negative 205 plus 60 plus 45 plus 30, that's going to be negative 30. And if so, basically we have negative 30, 70 plus P3 is equal to 0. So P3 is going to be 70 watts. And that shows that the element receives this power. So positive shows the received power and the negative shows delivered. Also, we have two more expression in here. When we get a negative power, that shows that, so the negative shows that the power is actually supplied, and when we get positive power, that shows that the power is actually absorbed. So these are other terms that uh, we need to be familiar with. Also here again, the positive sign shows receive and the negative shows delivered. That's pretty much everything for this question. We're going to be solving more questions about the circuits in the next videos. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.